I'm Elizabeth Dackson, and for today's community segment, I'm here with Heather Grant from the Austin MQG. Hi Heather, how are you?
I'm great.
Good. Listen, I understand you guys do some interesting things with your guild. I heard about something called demo days. What are demo days?
So demo days are a chance for members to learn about all the different techniques that our members are great at, and so it's a really great chance to see hands-on some new quilting techniques.
So are they like mini classes, or what are they?
No, so what we do is we poll our membership. We do a survey to kind of see like what they want to learn about.
Oh.
And I mean, the great thing about demo days is that you can do this in any type of guild or quilting group. It doesn't have to be modern or not, because you want to do stuff that your members like.
Sure.
And so we ask them what they want to learn about. And so usually we find out some great stuff from that. And then we kind of go out to our membership and say, what are you really awesome at?
Try to find the talents within the group.
Yeah, yeah. So,
sense.
So then people are always like, well, I'm really good at something. And we set it up so that they present that technique to our guild.
Wow, okay, so say I'm really great at free motioning and your members want to learn about free motioning. What do I do if I'm presenting at demo day? Do I show members how to do free motion, or?
Yeah, essentially.
Like the whole group?
Yeah, that's basically, well, not the whole group, because
Okay.
we started out like that. We had demonstrations where they were at the front of the meeting, but we're a pretty large guild of like 100 people.
Wow.
And people in the back couldn't really see what was going on.
I bet.
But the demos were really great. So we were trying to brainstorm a new way to do it. And someone came up with the idea, why don't we do 4 demos in one meeting? It's like 4 for the price of 1. I know. So what we do is we put a demo in each corner of the room, and then we count off, or we split up into 4 groups, and then we have a time limit. So they go around every 15 minutes to each corner and learn a new technique.
Oh,
so
wow.
these smaller groups can get really in and see what's going on, but unlike having a demonstration at the front of your guild meeting, and it also really encourages people to talk, because they're like,
Yeah, and ask
oh my
questions.
God, yeah, I had no idea you did that, or like, hey, like, oh, that's a great idea, I need to do that. So it's a great way to interact with other members and learn something new.
That's really awesome. Now, do people prepare handouts at demo days, or is it more hands-on than anything else?
Sometimes they do handouts. It really kind of depends what they're teaching. So they might do a handout, or they might base it on like a little free pattern. Sometimes we might base it on something we see on here. So if there's any techniques that your guild sees on this show that someone could kind of represent, that's another great thing to do at your guild meeting. And another thing that we ask the demo day folks to do is to prepare step outs, which are like step-by-step instructions, so that they go quicker.
That makes really good sense.
Yeah, it makes it go faster, and you can really kind of learn the complete technique without rushing too much.
Rather than having to spend all the time on the sewing necessarily.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes good sense.
And it's really good too, because people can ask questions to the people. They can ask questions to the people, like specific questions about the technique, and get that feedback.
Wow, that's fantastic. Heather, thank you so much for sharing this with us.
Yeah, I'm glad that we
wonderful.
could talk about Guild Demo Day.
Absolutely, and that is how you can put together a demo day at your guild.